Welcome everybody! Today we are going to talk about planning your meals. In a previous video I was talking about 8 ways how you can maintain your body weight. Today we are going to talk about planning your meals. I'm gonna explain you 8 tips how you can improve your meal planning. Number 1. Plan all your meals for entire week. Write down the times when you are going to have all your meals. Look at your schedule. Some days might be a little bit different. Write this down so you know in advance what time you are going to have all your meals. Number 2, look for recipes. Check all the recipes of the food which you like and you used to eat and keep them in one place. That will help you in the moment when you will need them, so you will not have to spend time to look for them. And additionally, look for a new recipe. Add something new to your menu so you can have some new and fresh ideas and fresh food on the table. Number 3, keep a meal journal. That will help you to see what you ate a month ago, so you don't have to look for completely new recipes. You can repeat this what you have done, let's say a month ago. You can use your calendar as your meal journal and you can store them, and they will be a great resource for your future meals. Number 4, ask your family members what they would like to eat. It will help you to prepare them mentally what they are going to see on the table, and it will also avoid potential problems, let's say with children. If they don't expect to see something on the table, we all know how they are going to react. So please consult this with your entire family on the beginning of the week, what you are planning to prepare for them during the week so they can be ready and happy. Number 5, make a shopping list and pick the shopping day. Put on the list all necessary things, but don't overbuy. Timing, the best is when you go usually in the morning, because there is less people in the stores. Earlier, better. You will be able to do everything faster, quicker, and in more efficient way. Number 6, make the plans for your leftovers. Leftovers can be used for at least 2 or 3 days, so don't waste your food and your hard-earned money. Inform also your family members that they can have leftovers, because it's a good food. Doesn't have to go right away to the trash. Number 7, freezer is your friend. What I mean by this is freeze some of the food which is left over and you know that you're not going to use it within the next 2 or 3 days. Important thing is to portion the food, so later when you pull out from the fridge you have small portions, and then they can be defrosted easier and also quicker. So this is very helpful. Freeze the food, portion on a small meals, then you have all food ready to pull out in the morning, and voila, it's ready for lunch or even dinner. Number 8, don't overbuy the food. We are not approaching the end of the world, and grocery stores are not running out of the food. So don't worry. If you go buy only what you need for a week or 2 weeks, there is no need to buy 20 cans of beans, 20 bags of pasta, because you can always go and buy 2 or 3 extra bags. Plus, you are just freezing your money in this food, which frankly usually is stuffed in your pantry, and then you forget about this. After a year or 2, you see that it's overdue and it's gotta go to the garbage. So don't waste food and don't waste your money. The same applies to your fridge. Don't overstuff your fridge. Keep your fridge nice, neat and organized so you can easily see all the food and see dates when the food is about to expire. If your fridge is overstuffed, you don't see what is in the bag. And usually the stuff which is in the bag goes bad and you will have to unfortunately throw this away. So don't waste food. Keep your fridge nice and organized. Now let me ask you, what are your ideas of meal planning? How this works in your family? Could you share your experiences and your ideas in the comment section below? Please do this. And for those who has never done before meal planning, is this going to be easy to implement all these 8 tips which I just explained to you? No, of course not. Is this gonna work right away for you? Of course not. So what I recommend you is start very slowly. For example, take just one point. Point number 1, plan your meals ahead. And then see how it works for your family for next couple weeks. If it's helping you, and if it's helping you and you see the results, implement, let's say, number 8. Don't overbuy. If those 2 points work for you, then add another one. But what I mean by this is that every single family is different. So what might work for me might not work for you. So look at these 8 tips as a recommendation and take what is good for you, for your specific situation, and implement this in your daily routine. And you will see over time it's so rewarding and you will enjoy your meals much better if you plan them ahead. If you like this video and if in any way it helped you, please share this video with your friends and make a comment in the section below. And also, I wish you all the best with planning your meals. Thank you very much. Have a great day, and until the next time.